gigabit Ethernet, Wi-Fi 6, USB 3.0, and all the processing power a home router could ever need. Guys deserve it. A powerful Wi-Fi 6 router with the full-size USB and a 2.5 gigabit Ethernet. The top of the line Hap ax3. This little fighter can handle so much more without sacrificing the performance. Complex firewall rules, IPsec hardware encryption, WireGuard, BGP, advanced routing. With the power of Router OS 7 and our AX devices, you can do all sorts of things without a dedicated server room. Now, you always ask about the USB, so we added a USB 3.0 port. That should do the trick for all your storage connectivity needs. But I can imagine some other use cases, like adding a mobile internet connection. Here comes the extra cool part, Ethernet ports. 4 of them are the usual suspects, the good old gigabit Ethernet we all know and love. And there's PoE in and PoE out. So you have some flexibility with powering. But we have also added a 2.5 gigabit Ethernet port. The speed is getting serious. And talking of speed, this generation Wi-Fi 6 or AX as we prefer can provide up to 38% faster Wi-Fi in the 5 GHz spectrum and up to 90% faster Wi-Fi in the 2.4 GHz spectrum. The phones nowadays are insanely powerful, so are the laptops. Why should the wireless network be any different? Don't get me wrong, Ethernet is amazing, but cable is no longer the only option for real speed and working with massive files over the Wi-Fi. Well, it's no longer a dream. Grab yourself a Hap AX and be prepared to be amazed. 2.5 gigabit Ethernet, Wi-Fi 6, USB 3.0, and all the processing power a home router could ever need. Sounds good? Nope. Sounds fantastic! Mikrotik and tick-tock, my friends, the clock is ticking because the sooner you order, the sooner you'll get it. These new AX devices are flying off the shelves and make sure they are going your way.